Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about data protection at Apple, and in this context, data sharing from the Photos app, but also Apple Intelligence and what you can and should deactivate. Let's start the video. Did you know that information from your photos is automatically exchanged with Apple servers? I'll now show you how you can prevent this. To do this, go to Settings. Then scroll to Apps, open this point. Search to the Photos app. Tap this, and scroll down to Advanced Visual Search. This is activated automatically. Here you will find the note. Allow this device to compare your photos against a global index maintained by Apple, protecting your privacy. Since you can get information without constantly updating all your photos, you should deactivate the Advanced Visual Search like I did. Even if the whole thing is encrypted, I will forgo this additional information. Apple Intelligence has a feature that you should definitely disable for some apps for security reasons. For example, there is the Banking app, because here access is automatically activated under Apple Intelligence and Siri. You should uncheck the Learn from this app option here, but suggestions are not needed here. You can also disable app suggestion ads and suggestion notifications on high screens. The same applies to the Passwords app. Here you open the Apple Intelligence and Siri section again, and then deactivate Learn from this app as well as Show Suggestions on home screen, Suggest Apps. To disable these options, go to Settings, scroll down to Apps and open them. Now find the app you want to deactivate and tap on it. You can now do this with any app you want to deactivate. That's it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. And then we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.